Folks, pull your attention down onto the field. It's time for our Asthma and Allergy Associates. Name that sneeze. I have one contestant with me, sir. What's your name?
JJ.
JJ, this is how this works. We're going to hear a celebrity voice who's suffering from seasonal allergies. When he's done sneezing, you have to tell me who is that celebrity voice. So let's take a listen.
Hey, everybody. I'd like to wish a very happy Father's Day to everyone here at the ballpark. And, shush, it's not easy being green. Well, and JJ here has something he'd like to ask to someone very special at the ballpark. So, yeah, go ahead.
JJ, you have something to ask?
That's Kermit.
That's Kermit?
Yeah. My question is to my best friend, woman, person I know, Lisa Emery. Will you marry me?
She said yes, everyone. Congratulations.
Well, I think she made a good choice. Shush!